Yeah. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So let's have a quick round of introduction so that we understand each other. I would like to know a little about you, okay? Your name and the experience that you have. Okay. So let me introduce myself. Myself, I'm Venu. I have around 19 years of experience into the field of HR, where I've started my career as HR executive, moved to SAP HCM implementations, and while I was in SAP HCM, I got an opportunity to work on success factors as well because one of my customer was migrating from SAP to success factors. And then from there onwards, I'm into success factors, and it's been like almost 9 years that I'm into success factors. And in these 9 years, I have worked on different modules like Employee Central, Compensation, PMGM, RCM, and onboarding as well. Though I've worked on all of these modules, my core areas have always been Employee Central and Compensation, because I've spent most of my time in these areas. And coming to teaching, I'm into teaching from last 12 years. I used to train earlier on SAP HCM. Then after getting into success factors, I've started training on success factors as well. Okay. So that's a brief about me. Can we have a quick round of introduction
Yeah.
to the
Hi,
audience?
Vinu. I'm Sandeep here.
Hi,
Sandeep.
Sandeep.
Hi. Yeah. Hi. So I'm also an HR professional. I've been working as into recruitments, purely into recruitments since almost 15 plus years. And
Mm-hmm.
currently, I'm working in Malaysia, also into recruitments.
Okay.
And so that's why I've chosen this course. So I want to take a level up again now.
Okay. So you can
Yeah.
help team members if you have any
Yeah.
opportunities in Malaysia. I heard
Yes.
there are
Yes. Yes.
many
Yes. Sure.
projects in success factors in Malaysia.
Yes.
Singapore
Yes.
and
Yes.
Malaysia, we
So
have a lot of opportunities.
yes. So that's the reason I've been hiring them. So now I want to learn and get hired
Yeah,
into
yeah.
success factors. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. That's
Thank,
about me. Yeah.
thank
Thank
you,
you.
Sandeep.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Yeah, Ashok. Ashok, would you like go next? Yeah, go ahead, Bhaskar.
Hello, sir. Good morning. I'm Bhaskar Dandugula.
I cannot hear you, Bhaskar. Can you come closer to the mic?
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Bhaskar Dandugula. Actually, I'm from Hyderabad. Currently, I'm working as a client account manager in ADP, which
Mm-hmm.
is related to payroll.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're
Yes.
into payroll.
Yeah.
So which region payroll you working in? Is it US?
I'm not into core payroll. I'm
Mm-hmm.
just
Just
client account
operations
manager.
manager.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, operation manager. I just manage payroll services from ADP to
Okay.
my clients.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So does any of your customers or clients have success factors as a
Yes, yes, yes. There are
HR
three,
solution?
yes, yes. There are three clients. They have factor integration
Okay.
to my product seller
ADP
go.
payroll. Yes.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Your product is different.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Thank
Yes,
you,
yes.
Bhaskar. Who wants to go next? Harika?
Good morning, sir. I'm Harika.
Good morning. Good morning.
I'm into operations, sir, in DMART.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a fresher, 2024 passed out in MBA HR stream.
Mm-hmm.
In HR operation, I used to do attendance corrections, payroll management, and some employee engagement activities, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Hiring and onboarding them,
Okay.
executing formalities. I know little bit F&F, sir.
Okay. And
These
what,
are the
yeah, what is the
things I
product that
do.
you are using for HR, for employee self-service?
It's mostly Ramco, sir.
Ramco. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Harika.
Thank you, sir.
Ashok, Natraj, Rachana, Vignesh. No one want to introduce?
Yeah, hi sir. My
Hey,
name.
Renu.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go
No,
ahead.
it's okay.
Vignesh, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Vignesh. I'm from Chennai. I'm. I just passed out in 2021 in a bachelor's degree in field of computer application, and then for I have 1.5 years of experience in technical support, uh, basically like BPO technical support, and
Mhm.
then I'm just trying to look after SAP. Like I've just gone through a different. I just got an idea of SAP, and then finally I thought that I could do a success factor module, and that's how
Yeah.
I ended up here.
Yeah. Thank you, Vignesh.
Yeah.
Yes, Rachana, please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Good morning. This is Tejashwini.
Yeah, hi, Tejaswini.
Yeah. Currently, I'm working as a business development executive, sir. So that's why I want to change my career.
Okay. Yeah.
So that I choose success factor.
Yeah. Thank you,
I'm with
Tej.
HR background. That's
Okay. Yeah. So
thank you.
in the recent days, I have seen a lot of requirements for freshers, and we hardly had any freshers in the earlier batches. Okay, it's good to have someone with someone who wants to get into success factors as a fresher. We can help you out. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Rachna. Yeah, go ahead, Rachna. I'm sorry if you're talking, we cannot hear you. Okay, so that's fine if you're unable to speak. Natraj? Okay, uh, that's fine if you people are unable to talk. Okay, so it is always good to have the introduction so that we understand each other. You know what I am, what knowledge I have, and I also knows what is your background. If I have to stress on some things because you are from a non-IT, non-HR background, I'll do it from my side. Okay, that's the use of asking the introduction part. Okay, so let's get into the demo. Now, first of all, what is success factors? Can somebody tell me what is a success factors application? Anything that you know about success factors? Nobody knows what is a success factors, but we all of us want to learn success factors without knowing the product. What is it used for?
It's a cloud-based HR solution.
Okay, it's a cloud-based HR solution. You're right on spot. What is cloud-based? What is cloud?
Cloud-based is cloud is nothing but the data we are storing online.
Data we are storing
Online.
online.
Yeah.
Mhm. What else? What happens when you store the data online?
We can access from anywhere. Yeah,
You can access from
anywhere.
anywhere. Now,
Yeah.
if you look at this picture, any application that you want to host, okay, needs all of this infrastructure, platform, and application. First, let's look at the cloud computing description. The practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. Now, any application or any data that you want to store, the first thing that we need is the infrastructure or the storage, right? Now, when you open a Gmail account, okay, I hope all of you must be using Gmails or email or Yahoo, right? So how are we accessing the email account? You go to any browser, type gmail.com and then open the Gmail. If you're using personal computer, you can also have the same application installed in your mobile. Instead of every time going to a browser, type the URL, you can open the application and once you log in, so next time you don't have to again re-log in. What you can do with the Gmail or any email, you can send, receive the data, right? Maybe in the form of an email or in the form of an attachment. So when you send the attachment, where are these attachments getting stored? Now, I can open the email that I have sent 10 years back. If I have sent some attachment in my email, the system stores that content, right? Including your email, system also stores the email, stores the files that I have shared. Now, how is this getting stored? These are stored somewhere in the cloud. Now, if you have opened your account some time back, 10 years, 15 years, you must be looking, you must see the option called your storage is full, please upgrade. Okay. If you have sent lot of files through your Gmail, or if you have stored your photos or videos, or if you have synced your photos or videos from your mobile to Gmail account, the storage will be occupied, right? Now, Gmail sends you the notification that the 15 GB of free space what you have got is now going to expire or is full now. You may have to go and upgrade. When you upgrade, they'll ask you to pay some amount, maybe 75 rupees or 100 rupees per month, or you have some packages. Now you go with this package, you'll get access for so and so amount of space. Now, where is this data getting stored? You can access this application tomorrow if you don't have your mobile with you. You're somewhere in a different country. If you want to access your data, your emails, you can still be able to log into that application. You can still open your files. Okay, so that's the cloud computing. All of the data that we are storing or we are processing that gets stored somewhere in the cloud rather than your personal computer or local server. The same thing applies to SuccessFactors as well. SuccessFactors also stores the data in cloud. When you add any employee data in the system, it occupies some space. You can upload the documents. You can add employee data. Let's say if you are implementing for a customer who has got 1,000 employees, all of this employee data occupies some space in the cloud. So every customer would be allotted with some space. We'll talk more about SuccessFactors, but first let's look at the cloud computing. Okay. Now the first and foremost for any application would be your infrastructure. Infrastructure is nothing but your storage, space that you want to use. Second is the platform. Once you have your storage, now I want to build my own application. Second thing that you need is the platform. On which platform you want to build the application? Is it .NET? Is it Force.com? Okay, what platform you want to use? And then third is application. What is the application that you want to build? Now, instead of building your own application, you can go and see if there are any similar available products in the market. You can also create or design or develop your own software. which takes a lot of time. You need to put a lot of effort. Okay, and it is not worth if you are implementing only for your own company. Now, based on these 3 layers, the cloud service models have been divided into 3. IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service. Where the first one is your IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Here, the cloud services only provides you with the infrastructure. It provides the infrastructure to the customer who is looking out only for the storage. This is mostly used by your network architects. And then second is platform as a service. Here you will get both infrastructure and platform. And mostly the developers would be working in here. And third is software as a service. Here you'll be getting the ready to use softwares. It comes up with infrastructure, platform, and a software, and mostly used by the end users. Examples of this can be infrastructure. You have AWS, Amazon Web Services. And for platform as a service, we have Windows, Azure, Google Apps Engine, where you develop a lot of Google apps. And then you have force.com, on which Salesforce was built. And then software as a service, the examples can be your SuccessFactors, Workday, Salesforce, Dropbox. All of these are examples of software as a service. Now, why customers are looking out for software as a service products now? Earlier, people were using the on-premise applications. Now, every customer is trying to move to software as a service or to the cloud computing applications. What are the advantages of having a cloud computing application? The first and foremost would be your productivity anywhere. You can log into the application from any corner of the world. If you're a manager, you're traveling outside, you're not in the office premises, you're traveling outside, and somebody has requested a leave, you can approve it while you're on go. You can have SuccessFactors application in your mobile, you can approve from your mobile. There are some goals which I have to fill, or performance appraisal that I need to fill. You can do it from your mobile. You can log into the application from anywhere. You don't have to be in office to get the work done. Off-site data storage. The data that you store is not getting stored in your personal computer here. It is getting stored somewhere in the cloud where you can access the data from anywhere. No IT maintenance cost, because you are not going with on-premise application where you will have to procure your own server. You need to have a dedicated space to your servers. You need to have a dedicated team to look after your servers. It is the cloud service provider's responsibility to host the application. Disaster resistance. If something happens to your application, if you are using your own application or the on-premise application, if something happens to your product, you are responsible to fix it. But in case of cloud computing, it is the cloud service provider's responsibility to fix it. And you'll see the application always up and running. 24/7, 365 days, you can use the application. Lower cost of ownership. Obviously, the amount that you would be spending on the cloud computing application is very less when compared with the on-premise applications, because you're not procuring servers, which are very expensive. You don't need to have a space, dedicated space. You don't need to have a separate team to look after the servers. All of these are your savings. And easily upgraded. Any product that you use needs some kind of upgrades. Even your mobile gets the upgrades. Once in a while, they release the patches, or they release the upgrades, saying that your iOS will be updated or your Android would be updated. Best example can be your WhatsApp application. The features what we use now in WhatsApp were not existing when it initially started. We didn't have option to do a video call or a group chat or to share to send money. We didn't have all of these options, but now we have these options. That means the applications are getting upgraded. Now these upgrades may contain the bug fixes. If product owners have identified some bugs, they would be fixing those bugs. Or if it is to be enhanced or a new feature is to be added into the product, they would be adding it in the upgrades. Now, moving to success factors. What is success factors? Success factors is a cloud-based HRIS software from SAP. And I say HRIS, Human Resource Information System, because most of the times the HR managers use the product. HRs use this product to hire employees, to maintain the employee data, to look at the employee's performance, to look at the attrition rates, to look at the various employee data. Okay. If you have to take some action based on the employee's performance, based on employee's salary, HR would be using this application. Other than HRs, every employee in the organization will also use success factors as their employee self-service system. When an employee logs in, they can look at their own data. They can update the data. Like if they have to fill their address information, fill their education details, fill their biographical information or experience details, they can do that. They want to download the appointment letter, if they want to download the promotion letter, they want to download the payslip, they can use SuccessFactors application. It is the entire life cycle of the employee is managed in SuccessFactors application. SuccessFactors has got different modules in it. If you look at this picture, the core or the base of SuccessFactors is Employee Central, because we maintain all master data. We maintain the employee data in Employee Central. And on top of it, we have different modules like recruiting, where we source the candidates, performance management, where we do the appraisals, compensation management, where we review and recommend salary increases at the end of the year, succession, where we do the org audits. We have analytics, reportings. Okay, JAM, which is used for social collaboration. So these are all modules of SuccessFactors. Now, all of these modules uses employee data. All of these modules uses employees' data. And the employee data comes from Employee Central. Now, what do we have in Employee Central? Employee Central is mainly the record management, the employees' record management. We track and update each and every information of the employee. Now, the employee data is split into different blocks of information, like personal information, where you store data like the first name, last name, middle name, gender, salutation, all these details. Then you have biographical information, which stores the date of birth, country of birth, region of birth, etc. We have education details. We have previous experiences. We have address details, contact information. We have employment information, job information, compensation information. So these are all the portlets or blocks of information where can store the data. Org management is all about the employment information, to whom the employee is reporting, How many employees are reporting to a manager? Who is the head in the organization? Who is heading a particular department or particular division or a business unit? Once you have all of this information, how many hours the employee would be working in, what is the employee's shift, what is the grade of the employee, what is the salary of the employee. Once you have all of this information maintained, you can process the data. Every month, employees should be paid as per their attendance. So this information comes from Employee Central. Every employee uses the SuccessFactors application to view or to update their information through ESS. Similarly, managers also logs in and manager does the activities like approving the request, recommending salary increases, reviewing the employee's performance. That is done through manager self-service. Okay, if you look at this picture, this is the org management. You can look at the hierarchical representation of the employees. How many employees we have under each manager? What are their designations? Which department are they working in? Which location are they working in? You can look at these details. SuccessFactors is a global product which is available in 47 different languages, meaning if you're implementing SuccessFactors for a customer of China, you can have the application in Chinese language. Now, English is not the main language for China. If you go to China, you will see people using Chinese language. Even the mobiles or whatever application they use, it would be in their own language, like Chinese, Japanese, French, Spanish. So all of these languages are available in SuccessFactors. We can turn the application into different language. We can translate the content into different languages. And SuccessFactors supports 47 different languages. And since it is a global product, application is being used in more than 200 countries. We have our customers across the globe in various countries like US, UK, China, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, Canada. So we have this application implemented for more than 200 countries. We have both globalization and localization. Globalization meaning every customer across the globe may want to have some information which is common. You will see grades, you will see departments, you will see locations. These are all common. Every customer uses it. That's a globalization. And some customers or a specific country customers may want to have the country-specific data. Like US customers may say that I want to have the national ID as social security number. Companies of India may ask for Aadhaar card, PAN card details to be maintained. So these are not required for US employees. So this is covered under localization. So employees of that particular region or particular country will see only the country specific information. Rest of the global information is available for all employees. Now I can go, if I'm from India, I can go look at my grade. Someone from US logs in and they can see the grade as well because that's a global field. And when I log in, I can see the national ID as PAN card or Aadhaar card because I am from India. Whereas the employee of US, when they log in, they see their own national ID, which is social security number with a specific format. Employee Central can be integrated with any module of SuccessFactors. There are many modules and each of these modules are tightly integrated. Meaning data flows from one module to other module. If I have to hire a candidate, so I need to know what are the vacant positions. First of all, I need to know What is the vacant position? Do we have any vacant position? I'll have to go see the vacant positions in Employee Central. Find out that position. See what is the grade that the position is in, what is the department, what is the location, what is the salary range. Now, once I have the vacant position, I convert that position into requisition. All of the data would be transferred from position to requisition. That means Employee Central data is pushed to recruiting. Recruiter sources the candidate on this position, negotiates with the candidate, offers the candidate. Now, candidate accepts the offer letter. Now, in the process of recruiting, recruiter must have, the candidate must have provided a lot of information, either in the form of profile, resume, or maybe the form of some documents. So all of this information is available in recruiting, and this data goes to Employee Central for hiring. We do hiring in Employee Central. The candidate becomes an employee in Employee Central. If your customer is also using onboarding module, once the candidate accepts the offer letter, candidate will be sent a onboarding link where candidate has to fill all of the details. Before even hiring, candidate will be adding all of the information. And this data flows from onboarding to Employee Central. So it is in the form of cycle. Data flows from Employee Central to other modules and from other modules to Employee Central. You can go and look at the instance. So let me just log into. Can all of you see my screen? What do we see? Can you see SuccessFactors application?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is the home page of SuccessFactors. When anybody logs into SuccessFactors, you'll see some quick actions on the home page where you can do some action. Like if I want to go update or apply a leave or update my timesheet, request for a leave, or you want to go and look at org chart, you can go look at org chart. Click on org chart. It opens up and shows you who is reporting to whom, how many employees are there under each manager. You can go and look at the employee data. Okay, now you can also look at the positions. What are the vacant positions we have? How many positions are filled? How many are vacant? Which position is open for hiring? You can go and look at the position org chart as well. Now you can see some positions are filled. This position is filled. This position is vacant. How do I know this position is vacant? One, we have employee assigned to the position. Employee assigned to the position. Here we don't have employee. Second, it is 1 of 1 FTE. This is 0 of 1 FTE. Position is 1 FTE and there is no employee, so it is showing as 0. Okay, so I can navigate to my data using my employee file. Now this page is called the people profile, where you can store your information. You can upload your profile picture. System gives you some basic information like your name, your username, your department, your location, your time zone. This information will show up, some basic information. Now my profile is 93% filled. And if I want to update, I can go and update. You have finished now here. Employees information is split into different sections. These are all sections. And you mouse over, you see personal information, employment, talent related information, comp information, payroll related data, time related data, benefits. So these are all sections. Each section contains a subsection. A subsection and a portlet. This is called a portlet or a block of information where you can go maintain your data or view your data. I can see that my information is stored here. Okay, I can go look at the historical records. Now this is effective 18th October. Now if I go to history, I can see all my information. Now earlier I was in grade 10. On 14th August, my grade is updated to 11. Okay, here my grade is upgraded to 3. Okay, you can see all of the historical records. What was the salary when I was hired? What was the salary when I was hired? When was my salary changed? How much did it change? Okay, I can look at all of this information. This is for one employee. I can go search for any employee and I can view that information. Okay, this is your employee central. You will have to configure what information is required for your customer. SuccessFactors gives you a standard application with lots of information. And every customer may not need all this information. So you need to find out what is required for your customer and enable that for your customer. There are hundreds of fields, but each of these fields may not be required for every customer. We'll have to configure what is required for them. You need to understand the requirement of the customer and configure it as per their needs. To 24 sessions, the entire course content is divided into 24 sessions, 24 to 25 sessions. The first 4 sessions would be completely of theoretical part. It will be discussed before even getting into SuccessFactors. We need to know few things like how to do the certification, how to keep our certification, what are implementation processes that we follow, what is implementation methodology that we follow, what is the landscape that we use in SuccessFactors, how does the release management happen, what are configuration workbooks, what are kickoff templates, where do we download these documents. So all of this information will be talking in the first 4 sessions. And from 5th session onwards, we'll be working on configurations. We'll be working on the systems. Every one of you will be given system access where you can log in and practice. Every day we'll be having 1 hour of session. Entire 20-21 sessions would be of practical part only. You'll be given all configuration material. You'll be shared the recordings every day after the session. You'll be given the session recording. I don't recommend you to go through the recording every day. Try to visualize, try to remember things. Try to practice on your own instead of just opening the recording and doing the same thing in the system. Try to do it on your own. It is okay if you're spending some additional time on the system. All of you will be given system access. We'll help you out in preparing your resumes. We'll help you out to clear your jobs, get into the jobs. Mock interviews will be conducted if you are interested, if you are ready to apply for a job. Before applying, if you want to go through some interview process, you can do that through mock interviews. And we also assist you in clearing your certification. We will help you out to clear your certification in the first attempt. Okay. I'll take a pause and see if you have any questions regarding the training. No questions?
As of now, it's clear. Maybe in next class we might get a lot of questions.
We'll be starting off the regular sessions from tomorrow. Okay. Please attend the session. Okay. See if you can continue the sessions. SuccessFactors is a functional module. So there is no technical part in it. You don't need any kind of coding. You will not be doing any coding here. You'll only be configuring the system. Very easy to learn. The regular sessions would be starting from tomorrow, same time, 7:30 a.m. You can check with your coordinator on the timings and the link, and hope to see you all in the regular sessions. Okay?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Any doubts before we close off?
No, Venu, as of now.
Okay.
Very, very clear until now.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay.
is it 1 hour in a day?
Yes, 1 hour every day.
Okay.
7:30 to 8:30 a.m. Okay then. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of your day. We'll now catch up in tomorrow's session.
Thank you, Venu. You too have a great day.